So let me start by running the software. So this is the keylogger. Right now, any keylogger is not active in my system. So if I press on detect, and it is scanning right now. So it would just say that no keylogger has been detected. But if I run this software, that is reveal keylogger, and I press on start, and again if I click on detect keylogger and press OK, so this keylogger is active in my system right now. And after the scanning, it said that this keylogger has been detected. The keylogger name is rvlkl.exe. So if I press on OK, it asks me that if I want to terminate the program or not. If I press yes, that keylogger has been deactivated.
If you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And this is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.